láyé tí wọ́n máa padà sọ́dọ̀ òbí wọn tó ní wọ́n ti gbogbo ìpàtẹ́kù. Wọ́n ti gbà tí ẹ wà lórí àlééfà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn. Gbogbo tá a ṣe lọ́dọ̀ yẹn pátá ní ìyá wa gbé. Àti mọ́tò tá a máa fún ẹni tí ó bá yá ẹwé olúborí. Ìyá àti ọkọ wọn sẹ́nitọ́ ìdíkórè amúsù àwọn náà fi sílẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi pàdánù fún ọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i. Ẹ pàdánù yẹn dáadáa. Àtìgbà yẹn wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ̀yin bẹ̀ wò wọ́n tún wà lọ. Ẹ̀yin pàdánù lọ pàdánù ti ra aṣọ fún yín. Ẹ tún ti gba aṣọ tuntun ní ìsìn. Oyè ọ̀dọ̀ wálé tí wọ́n ti yà ọ̀dọ̀ wálé owó yẹn wọ́n ti yà dáadáa. Àwọn ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ tó tọ́jú ọ̀ ní ìgbà aṣọ tuntun lọ́wọ́ ìyá wọn. Ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́, ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́, ẹ bá mi pàdánù fún ìyàlẹ́. Ìyá pípa aṣọ wá fún wọn. Kí ìyá dáadáa, ẹ wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ bí mi gbà mọ́. Àbí ṣe bí àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ yìí lọ. Thank you so very much. My heart is full of praises, gratitude for everything you do. You've been wonderful and very consistent. I thank you for everything you do. Even if you are not elected and you will come for this event, an event that has been institutionalized, we will continue to do it, come rain, come shine, every year, and we will continue to make a very positive impact on all these young men. You know, even have an idea the way their life is always transformed. Heavy transformation. They come with very little hope, and when they win, and even they don't even need to win because all of them are winners. Some of them will come and make impact in their various endeavors in life, and at the end of it all, they become someone in life they will never forget. Thank you so very much. Wọ́n láti gbèdé ìjẹ́sí sọ́dọ̀ láti dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín lórí àwọn tó gbọ́ wọn dáadáa ní èdè káàárọ̀ òjì mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín púpọ̀ púpọ̀. Tí máa wá dúpẹ́ náà ní ọwọ́ yín wàá tún dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọmọọba tó tún ti dúró rí olú sálọ báyìí ọwọ́ ti bà á. Adérónkẹ́ ibo ló wà jáde síta o. Ẹ máa bá mi pàdé ọkùnrin ẹ̀kọ́ sí i. Àwọn ibi dáadáa tó lọ fi tì ẹ pàtẹ́wọ̀ ìdáadáa. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ̀ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ jọ. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ jọ.
Àwọn tí ilé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀dúndún. Àwọn òbí kò fi ẹ̀sùn. Láwọn ìjọ ní orí ọ̀dájá.
Olori Aderonke has been very wonderful to me. She's a friend, confident, and she has been dodging this role for a very long time. Ọwọ́ tí wàá bàbá ẹ̀, ilẹ̀ ti fọ́ bá àṣírí ẹ̀ ti tú sí gbogbo ayé yìí, kò síbi tó sá lọ mọ́, wókè gbogbo lẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi pàdé ọkùnrin ẹ̀kọ́ sí. Before I came to this show, there was a time we were very good friends, and I was telling her a dream that I have for Ife. This was like almost about 10 years ago. I actually painted this whole place that I would build a place, a hall. We're going to have a lot of young people, and we'll be training them, and we'll be putting them through. And she told me that time, our father was still alive, Ooni Shijuwani, and we never even knew that it was this soon. And she said, the mother of all of these children. I said, are you sure? You that you don't like to come to Ife? He said, yes, I'll be their mother. Let's just keep training them. Let's just try our best to keep putting them through. So there was one day, 2013 or 14, I can't remember. I drove to her house in 1004 to pick her up. Guess what she did? She switched off her phone. She ran away from the house. I was coming to Ife at that time, and she just ran away. I called her more than 100 times. I couldn't get her. Eventually, when I got her, she said, "Woman, buy on the day, you white dog." And you know how we live. Òun gan ló máa sọ pé òun ò fẹ́ kúrò fẹ́ mọ́. Ìpè èkó yẹn mi ò tiẹ̀ lọ nìkan kan mọ́. Ẹ máa pàtẹ́wọ́ fún. Now the dream eventually came to life. She has a lot of those children she's training. She has a very solid and formidable platform. African Fashion Week Nigeria, African Fashion Week London, and also the hall. She manufactures apparel. She's very passionate about it, and she likes every day of her life to continue to train these young children in what she knows how to do best. On this note, I want to say thank you to you for supporting this my dream, this aspiration. You have been a very strong pillar. Thank you so very much for everything you do. Ọlọ́run ló dùn máa yàrá mi dúró tí gbogbo àdáwọ́lé ayọ̀ sí o ibi tó fọ́jú sí láyé ọ̀nà àgbàbí fún ẹ̀ o ní ṣubú ní ìdánù lágbára Ọlọ́run and gbogbo èròǹgbà ẹni sí rí pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọdé yìí because on them we used to fight a lot. I thought probably you are too strict. But so far so good. I could see the way you actually trained a lot of them. Most of them are all over the country now. One actually got married recently in Dubai with a husband. I think she has a baby now. Oh, she's back. Oh, okay. That story is for another day. But one that is in our midst today, she is now a multi-millionaire. She won this QMA last year. In fact, myself and Iyawa Senator Amosu, Chief Mrs. Amosu, actually she has a knack to be the best, and she has been consistent. This year again, I'm praying that she's not going to get it wrong. She will get it right. Last year she said, "Kabisi, that's the girl now who wins." That girl, there's something about her, and eventually she won. But to the glory of God, over the last 1 year, she has been very well trained, very well refined. I want her to stand up. Where is QMA 2021? Ẹ bá mi pàdé ọ̀fọ̀ mọ́ mi yìí dáadáa. Ẹ pàdé ọ̀fọ̀ dáadáa. Ó mà ti dolówó. A máa mú lọlé ọkọ ní January. Gbogbo yìí la pè o. Ó láì pọ̀ pẹ̀lú wà bímọ, ó máa ti jú. Mi ò ní pèsè tàgé má lọ bá mi gbà mọ́ lọ́wọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n she's a living example, and she's so hardworking, she's so dedicated. The little money we gave to her, she has actually multiplied it. She's multiplied that money in like about 4 or 5 folds. She doesn't bother us. She takes care of everything by herself. The car we gave to her, she's maintaining it. She does everything on her own. Business is really, really growing. She has a very big restaurant in Ife now. She takes care of people, and she's doing very well. On this note, myself and the entire QMA team, we are adding another medal to you. We are giving you another 1 million naira to have your business. So keep up the good work. Your own wedding gift is still coming up. Your wedding gift is different too. What you're doing, we want to implore you to continue to train the young ones. Keep training them in everything you know how to do. you have your own routine and army of young people that you will continue to train from nothing to something. And look at you today, we are very proud of you. God bless you. And God bless you. We have a lot of testimony and a whole lot of testimonials. That gives me fulfillment. That gives me a lot of oxygen to continue to do what we are doing. Another friend of mine and someone that I have so much respect for in terms of creativity. Now she's my queen too, one of the queens that God has blessed me with. And I thank God Almighty for them complementing one another. No competition, but they are complementing one another. I have a lot of people going now, very talented, very creative. Olori Aderonke. Stand up for recognition. Gbogbo aṣọ tó wọ̀ yẹn ló máa ń ṣe fúnra ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe báyìí, aṣọ bàtà gbèdé gbogbo ẹ̀. Tí máa dúró báyìí, tí máa ní kó máa bàtà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yàrá ìdá, ó máa yàgbé, ó máa get it right. So please let's about me pàtẹ́wọ́ fún mi. A lot of people don't understand why Olori. But for me, I have a mission with all of them. Mission of creativity, mission to add value to this room and continue to enhance and bless the less privileged, the downtrodden, the oppressed in the society. Because we will actually do. It's an institution bigger than me. I can't do the work alone. So for me, a lot of people just probably think it's just Kakumami Shola, Ishe Papum Shola. We are complementing one another. And God blesses me for me to actually face headlong one of my greatest concerns on this throne. Because this throne is designed for such a thing. And I never knew that I would find myself in this situation. But to the glory of God, I found myself. Oh, okay. They told me again that Olori Aderonke actually designed what the outgoing queen is wearing now. Let the outgoing queen stand up again. She designed it for herself and 5 others that are going to be displayed tonight. So, Eshegoni, Ileshayo, the Jono, Shema Marasho, no, Erosho, Maroti, Wale, so my point is, I cannot do this work alone. It's a very big institution. I can see now that each blessing is even applying. Check out our day. Abikaman Kaole. Kaman Kaole. Yes or no? You are on the final note, I want to thank you all once again. I want to thank you all again for your support, for your consistency, and your commitment towards QMA initiative. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín púpọ̀ ẹ ṣé gan-an. And I can show you all these young ladies. This show is for you. It's a platform that you can reach any height you want to reach, from nothing to something. God will continue to bless you in everything you do. God will continue to honor you in every of your life endeavors. Like I told you, God has actually blessed you with many queens. Some of you that probably did not think, all of them have their areas of specialization. So that I won't be partial. I've mentioned 2, but the others that are not directly linked to QMA, they have their own area of expertise. So we will continue to complement one another. The other ones that are not here, Olori Miriam Ajibola is not here. Olori Dr. Elizabeth Okwelua is not here. But they are all here with me in spirit. I cannot do it all. And Olori, if you come back, Adesegun Ogunwusi is not here. Olori Afolashade Ashley also is not here. So for me, all the areas of all these people are to complement and support every of your dreams. We have different NGOs and we have different platforms to support anything you want, any level you want to get to in life. And I know that by the very specialness of God, your affiliation and your link to this throne, God will continue to bless you and bless all the works of your hand. Nígbà ọlọ́run àwọn òbí yóò rí fún ọjọ́ oṣù yìí o, ẹ̀yin náà máa yàn ẹ̀yin ojúláyé o, pàtàwọ́lé ayọ̀ ṣe o, mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀, God bless you and have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.
All right, before I call on, God bless you. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to lift you.